What's up everybody? It's about 8 o'clock in the morning right now. I'm about to go for a quick 10-minute shakeout run to get the legs going, and yeah, I'll bring you guys along with me. Alright, just hopped out the shower. The run was pretty nice. My legs feeling pretty good right now. But we're just gonna grab some breakfast now. Alright guys, just made the breakfast. As you can see, just eating some cereal with banana. Nothing special, just something light before the race. But yeah, I'm just gonna eat this and then I'm gonna chill, watch some YouTube videos until it's time to go. And I'll catch up with you guys then.
You're my only company. The past 2 days I really haven't interacted with many humans, like minimal human interaction.
The week I'm here in Boulder with the boys. Well, not Boulder.
Shut up! Oh!
Yeah, just hold it.
My way. Oh my! It's hailing!
Just go to the club and watch a movie, eh?
Oh my god!
I'm so happy we have this. I think this might be canceled.
Don't hold this still! Go in the way!
Yay!
Make sure you got your rubber gumboots on. Yeah.
I've got man, like low key, I'm fucking lightning hits us. That's a bit further away though. Alright, I'm gonna go for warm up now. It was just hailing and thunderstorming, so not ideal weather, but it's cleared up now. So I'm just gonna go for warm up and yeah, the race is starting in 40 minutes. Oh, let's go to start of the race. There's Brooke.
Heading fog with the Fogdog, straight to the top with the pace drop. Pace too hot, you can't keep up. When it heats up and takes the lead, and all you see is straight university. So it's time to subscribe for the best alive. Go strive for strive with the Batman pride. It's Heading Fog, coming at you with the Top Dog exclusive. It's Heading Fog exclusive. Heading Fog, Fogdog. Subscribe now for the Top Dog. Heading Fog, Fogdog. Subscribe now for the Top Dog. Trying to take me down, trying to dissipate everything I'm gonna make you a snake. Always trying to hate on my name. We hit the same, switching lanes, demon games, tripping claims, no names, always checking on my aim. Put no numbers on my age. How many times I beat my own stage, my own page, my own wage, and so I never change. Always getting blamed, always being flamed. That's part of the game, it can never be tamed.
Nice, Brooke.
Live my own reality.
Sorry, I stole your camera.
Don't give a shit if you're mad at me. Found an immortality in all of this brutality.
Let's go, Brooke. Nice, Harry.
Heading fog with the Fogdog, straight to the top with the pace drop. Pace too hot, you can't keep up. When it heats up and takes the lead, and all you see is straight university. So it's time to subscribe for the best alive. Go strive for strive with the Batman pride. It's Heading Fog, coming at you with the Top Dog exclusive. It's Heading Fog exclusive. Heading Fog, Fogdog. Subscribe now for the Top Dog. Heading Fog, Fogdog. Subscribe now for the Top Dog. Heading Fog, Fogdog. Subscribe now for the Top Dog. Heading Fog, Fogdog. Subscribe now for the Top Dog. Views and views and views and views. How do you choose? Real news, fake news. Hey dude, great shoes on the booze, making moves by the cruise, but it ain't the rules like I told you. Live my own reality. Don't
You'll be able to manage 3 minutes K easy. You just gotta train hard. Yeah, I've done it a couple times. 9 something.
Heading far with the Fogdog, straight to the top with the bass drop. Pace too hot, you can't keep up. When it heats up, it takes the lead. And all you see is straight university. So it's time to subscribe for the best alive. Go strive to strive with the Batman pride. It's Ed and Fog coming at you with the Top Dog exclusive. It's Ed and Fog exclusive.
Yeah, he trains way too much for a little kid. Let's go, Brock! Nice. Just keep pacing.
Yeah, rewriting the book, showing your all so you know what it took. Make so much noise that you know that they look. Then you got half of these people that hooked. Yeah, this is a new page, making my mark on this new age. Know that we're serious, this isn't a phase. You can't keep me locked down in this cage. Yeah, can't keep me down and break bull. Yeah, king of my town, better back down. Where's my crown? Run straight through and scream touchdown. Yeah, I'm coming through. Better move, yeah, I'm coming through. When I come, I'm gaining views, and when I come, I'm coming for you.
Leading his little pack now.
Coming for you.
Second lap.
Yeah, hop in my life and I'll show you my crazy. I'm trying to change, so what does that make me? I'm living free, spilling the tea. I got the keys, that's a guarantee. Yeah, I'm a different breed. I do it for love, you do it for the greed. Better bet, I'm taking the lead. You can take your shots, but I'll never bleed. Yeah, you'll ditch, you'll push your shots. Yeah, they never do a lot. Nah, I can see your weak spots. Yeah, still you're sending shots. I'm Ahelite, spitting these bars on the Pendle beat. When I run on the street. This is my show and I'm bringing the heat. Yeah, this is my show, it's infectious, I know. And you better lie low and you better tiptoe, cause I'm pushing tempo and there's nowhere to hide and there's nowhere to go.
Nice,
yeah, rewriting the book, showing your all so you know what it took. Make so much noise that you know that they look. Then you got half of these people that hooked. Yeah, this is a new page, making my mark on this new age. Know that we're serious, this isn't a phase. You can't keep me locked down in this cage. Yeah, can't keep me down and break bull. Yeah, king of my town, better back down. Where's my crown? Run straight through and scream touchdown. Yeah, I'm coming through. Better move, yeah, I'm coming through. When I come, I'm gaining views, and when I come, I'm coming for you. Yeah, coming for you. Coming for you. Yeah, keep from the chat, you think that's that. Feel my pain when I coming back. Feel my pain when I hear that smack. Feel my pain when I go kick clack. Yeah, feel my pain. This is my life, you're losing the game. Making my goals and taking my aim. When I'm gone, they'll know my name. Yeah, when I'm gone, my legacy will live on. At the beginning, the journey is long. Ahelite will be the big don. Yeah, I'm gonna take you down. You laughed at me and thought I was a clown. Make you smile and then I make you frown. Isn't it funny how it goes around? Cause now I'm serious and I'm finding my sound. Ahelite, yeah, we run this town. Royalty thing, but I ain't gonna crown. The system is broke, let's take it down. Yeah, rewriting the book, showing your all so you know what it took. Make so much noise that you know that they look. Then you got half of these people that hooked. Yeah, this is a new page, making my mark on this new age. Know that we're serious, this isn't a phase. You can't keep me locked down in this cage. Yeah, can't keep me down and break bull. Yeah, king of my town, better back down. Where's my crown? Run straight through and scream touchdown. Yeah, I'm coming through. Better move, yeah, I'm coming through. When I come, I'm gaining views, and when I come, I'm coming for you.
Bella Earl here in the under-18 women. By Stella Heaven.
Brooke, can we get a post race interview?
That was so muddy, bro. But it was a good course. That's about it. I'm so tired now. Third place, not bad. I wanted to get top 3 today. Got it done. Hopefully it puts me up on the rankings a bit more now.
There you go, I'll give you that. I'll get you back. Do the outro. Maksis, do the outro.
Hey, taking shots like a GoPro. Think of my GoPro. Bro, you moving too slow. Think of my say so. Hey, now I'm fast like
yo, let's go, Aphichat. Let's go, Maksis. Look at the pack here. Let's go, boys. Let's go, Oskar.
Think of my GoPro. Bro, you moving too slow. Think of my say so.
Yo, nice one, bro. Very good. Nice, Maksis. Nice send you. Good job, bro. Nice, Oskar, bro. Good job.
MTC to the ABC to the AHE to the IRP. I ain't no wannabe, I'm exactly where I wanna be. Doing things differently, cause that's just me. That's just me.
Come on, Maksis!
That is the dream. National champs, that ain't extreme.
Nice, nice, nice.
Taking shots like a GoPro.
Nice, bro. Good job, good job. Come on, Maksis! Nah, you got it, bro. You got it, you got it.
Think I might say so. Now I'm fast like Sonic the Swain. Flash, you think I'm insane. 40 on the spot, K on the dot, begging me to stop. No. Taking shots like a GoPro.
The outro.